हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी मीडिया। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ क्लास 8th इंग्लिश की वर्कबुक की यूनिट 7 जिसका नाम है आ विजिट टू कैम्ब्रिज। पिछली वीडियो में मैंने आपको यूनिट 6 दिस इज़ जॉडीज़ फोन करवाया था। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं और अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। मैंने अपने चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट बनाई हुई है, आप जिस भी लेसन को देखना चाहते हैं प्लेलिस्ट में जाके देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए यूनिट 7 शुरू करते हैं। कंप्रहेंशन ए, रीड द फॉलोइंग पैसेज एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस दैट फॉलो। थिंक बिग, थिंक फास्ट एंड थिंक अहेड। दिस वाज द फार्मूला बिहाइंड द सक्सेस ऑफ धीरूभाई अंबानी. Dhirubhai Ambani, the son of the school teacher from a remote village in rural Gujarat, was born on 28 December 1932. A small boy, he used to sell snacks to pilgrims outside a temple in his native village, but he had big dreams. Dhirubhai, as a teenager, moved to Aden to make his future. He started working as an attendant in a petrol station. Then he took up a clerical position in an oil company. With the money he earned there, he started Reliance Commercial Corporation in Mumbai. Then he opened his first textile mill in Naroda in 1966. He made Vimal his textile brand, which flourished and still remains a household name in India. First, what was Dhirubhai Ambani's formula for success? Think big, think fast, and think ahead. Second, Dhirubhai Ambani was the son of a school teacher. Third, he was born on 28 December in 1932. Fourth, he sold snacks to pilgrims outside a temple in his childhood. Fifth, as a teenager, he worked as an attendant in a petrol station. Sixth, he opened his first textile mill in Naroda and made Vimal for his textile brand. Seventh, find words in the passage that are opposite in meaning to the following and use them in your own sentences. A. Failure. Success. I am sure of his success. Spent. Earned. You earned this job. Working with language vocabulary. A. We convey our good wishes to others when they start some new work, go on a journey, take exams, fall ill, etc. Here are some examples. All the best, take care, best of luck, may God bless you, good luck, have a safe or nice or pleasant journey. Best of journey, I hope all goes well, get well soon, may luck always shine on you. Match the wishes given in the box with the occasion or events mentioned below. One has been done for you. I am going to Bhopal tonight. Best of journey. I will consult the doctor tomorrow. May God bless you. I am going to perform a difficult experiment tomorrow. All the best. I have to make a speech in the assembly next week. Good luck. We are leaving on 12th May for Badrinath pilgrimage. Take care. I will take my maths exam day after tomorrow. Best of luck. The doctor will keep me in hospital for a week more. Get well soon. We are going to Mount Abu by taxi. Have a safe journey. The result of IIT will be declared today. I am getting worried. I hope all goes well. I am getting my new shop inaugurated soon. May luck shine on you. B. You read in the link lesson what an astrophysicist is. Now look at the words given in the box describing various professions. Read the clues about each profession and write the name of the profession next to the clues. One has been done for you. Speaker, writer, sculptor, actor, dentist, leader, musician, cartoonist, singer, artist, carpenter, cobbler. Who are these people? Read the clues and choose their profession. Akhil performs on the stage. He sings and attracts the crowd. Singer. Meera makes drawings or paintings. She has held many exhibitions. Artist. Ram creates beautiful sculptures. Sculptor. Mohan draws funny cartoons for the newspaper. Cartoonist. Renu has acted in many TV shows and movies. Actor. Babita writes poem and short stories. She has got them published. Writer. Prakhar plays the guitar in an orchestra. Musician. Grammar. Reported speech. Revision. When the report someone's speech or actual word spoken, certain grammatical changes are made. Let's revise the changes pertain to tense, pronouns, and words showing place and time. Tenses: present simple, simple past, come, came. Present continuous to past continuous is coming, was coming. Present perfect to past perfect has come, had come. Present perfect continuous to past perfect continuous has been coming, had been coming. Simple past to past perfect came, had came. Past continuous to past perfect continuous was coming, had been coming. Will or shall, would or should, may or can, might or could. Pronouns: first person pronouns I or we and their possessive adjective my or our in direct speech are changed into the same person as the subject of the reporting verb. She said, I am happy. She said that she was happy. Second, pronoun of the second person you and their possessive adjective your are changed into the same person as the object of the reporting verb. I said to her, you are on time. I told her that she was on time. Third, pronoun of the third person he, she, it, they and their possessive adjectives his, her, its, their remain unchanged. She said he is playing cricket. She said that he was playing cricket. Words showing place or time: now, then, this, that, these, those, said, told, here, there, thus, so, come, go, today, that day, tomorrow, the next day, yesterday, the previous day, last night, the previous night, ago, before. A. Rules for questions beginning with WH words, question words. First, change the reporting verb to ask, inquire of, demands, etc. Second, change the interrogative form into assertive form and remove the question mark. Third, don't use that or any other conjunction after ask, inquire, etc. Fourth, tenses, pronouns and words showing place or time are changed as per rules given before. Example: she said to me, what is your name? She asked me what my name was. Change the following into the indirect speech. He said to me, how did you get all this money? He asked me how I had got all that money. They said to her, why have you come to our house? They asked her why she had come to their house. I said to Shyam, what do you have in your bag? I asked Shyam what he had in his bag. Meeta said to Geeta, where is my brother? Meeta asked Geeta where her mother was. The thief said to him, when will you leave me? The thief asked him when he would leave him. B. Rules for questions beginning with helping verbs. First, change the reporting verb to ask, inquire of, demand, etc. Second, change the question form of sentence into assertive form. Third, use if, whether as conjunctions. Fourth, tenses, pronouns and verbs showing place or time are changed as per rule mentioned earlier. Example: he said to me, are you not afraid? He asked me if I was not afraid. Change the following into indirect speech. Ram said to Sohan, do you know these questions? Ram asked Sohan if he knew those questions. Monu said to Sonu, have they won the match? Monu asked Sonu if they had won the match. The teacher said to the boys, have you been reading today or not? The teacher asked the boys if they had been reading that day or not. My mother said to me, are you going to join the medical course? My brother asked to me if I was going to join the medical course. Mr. Ram said to Anil, Were you absent yesterday? Mr. Ram asked Anil if he was absent the previous day. Dictionary practice. In this chapter, you read about a claustrophobic person. Phobia means fear or hatred of something. Look up a dictionary and match the following words. Arachnophobia, fear of spiders. Xenophobia, fear of foreigners. Hydrophobia, fear of water. Speaking and writing. Composition. Mehul with his family went on a holiday to Ranthambore National Park. He had a great time because he got to know a lot about a wildlife sanctuary, the natural habitats of wild animals, birds and plantations, etc. He wishes to share the experience of his trip with the cousin Rima. He includes the following information with the letter that he may write in to his cousin. Where is the national park? Eastern Rajasthan. How far is it from Mumbai? 180 miles from Mumbai. How to get there by train? 15 hours from Mumbai. What can one see? Trees, 300 different kinds and 50 aquatic animals and birds, 272 birds, 12 reptiles, 30 to 40 leopards and a large number of panthers. When was the fort built? But in the 10th century. How is it used now? Now converted into a rest house. Examination hall. XYZ. Dear Rima, how are you? I am fine here and I hope that same for you. I went on a holiday to Ranthambore National Park which is in Eastern Rajasthan. It is 180 miles from Mumbai. We went there by train and it took us 15 hours. I saw a lot of trees and animals. There were 300 kinds of trees and aquatic plants, 272 birds, 12 reptiles, 30 mammals and 38 to 40 leopards and a large number of panthers. It was really fun and I advise you to visit there too. Pay my regards to your parents. Your loving name Rahul. तो यहाँ पे वीडियो ख़त्म होती है। अगली वीडियो में मैं आपको यूनिट 8 अ शॉर्ट मॉनसून डायरी करवाऊँगी। ये वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं। वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।